Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Ford Focus. This car have a problem, car not start, sometime meter not working, fuel gauge not working, RPM not working, and transmission malfunction, fault showing, many fault in this car. See here, gauge off, transmission malfunction, and then working suddenly, and that's the problem. And sometimes security light blinking and car not start. So in this video I will show you how you can solve this problem. This is actually a meter problem, so first of all meter repair, then it will work perfectly. Okay, I will show you where is the fault and what you have to need to replace actually. Here's the fault. I already replace, remove meter and everything, and replace those capacitor 1 2. Okay, and now I will fix it in the car and I will show you. Repair finish, and now I fix it. Great success. See, now it's perfectly working, no fluctuation, nothing. Okay, thank you. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel.